Yeah, what's up, guys? How you doing? Hope say everybody dey okay. Yeah, is it not crazy? Like you can make a whole like badass song without going to studio, without buying any equipment or studio equipment. Like it's very crazy when I think about it. You know this stuff I teach you now how to record song, quality song on your phone. When I tell people like I record this my song with my phone when I go to club to go and play my song, then nobody will ever believe me. But they say how can you record this kind of quality song with your phone? I record song with my phone, I perform it. I perform it at different club. Nobody will like if I would tell them my own man, they will still not believe me. That's how crazy it sound. And the secret is just right in your pocket. It's not difficult, not nothing. Now you know what follow no go. No be say you got to lis ten and pay at ten tion. Today I want your show now. One song I just made, the quality and how you can copy it and the way I started to make quality song. Yeah, let's get at it. No time, no time, no time. Let me okay, no time. Let's talk about BandLab. I make quality song. It's so crazy. People won't believe me. But I want to teach you guys to make your own quality song. As an artist, you don't have to wait to have money to go to studio. You can do it with your phone. It's happening a long time ago before you even exist. And this is our generation so a lot of tools dey that you can use to make your song more perfect with your phone still. Bro, greatness can never be denied, bro. Your destiny dey your hand, your life dey your hand. Yeah, look at the song. This song so yeah, someone picking. I am the one that made the beat. You get me? Don't use someone's beat. There will be copyright on it. You get me? First, you guys might listen to the song.
Oh my we Tingologo thing.
Listen.
She tell me please, now someone begin. I know we understand again. Feeling they touch my brain. Please don't stop. Kidding or meditate. Please don't leave this place. Do I'm like I'm.
Do you guys see that? That song nobody will believe. Now look the effect I used to make the song. Look the effect perfectly. Screenshot it with your phone. Screenshot it. That when you are recording song at night on your BandLab phone, use the same effect I use. You can search it. Software, Afrobeat, everything here perfect. No done it, bro. Right? I go to 2026, bro. If you don't make, I won't make that year. That next year, so I make money for my song. Now, BandLab have new effects. If you are using BandLab currently, you know that BandLab add new effects. New effect because it's never period. They add new quality net effect in for your vocals. You can use it to progress easily. No time to waste bother. If you want to make it, people dey. You can write me. I can even teach you personally. I can just teach you how to use BandLab because I know say once I know something or update, I will share with you guys. All of us will make it together and reach to the top. You get me? I make money for my song and you can make money for your song too. Record song, post am, record song, learn to make am quality on your phone and BandLab. Post am, get your money. It's not hard thing. Very easy, bro. No, it's not today I dey into song business. I know like since 2021 before I realize I fit even sing. 2024, 2025, then I come start to make quality songs with my phone. Now I had no plan and at ten tion to go to studio. Only thing I have now na to get more money and buy more studio equipment for myself and when I'm at home. Because I already know how to make beat, how to sing song, how to do everything. That's what how crazy it is. You can learn everything if you really put your mind to it. If you're destined, if ah, oh my god, subscribe.